Okay, everybody's gonna try to look for airplanes, right?
Yep.
Not just eat the whole time.
A sunset flight to Port Clinton.
Skypark traffic, 5961 Golf, reporting on wave 3, Skypark.
Okay, seatbelts are all good and tight? Everyone's got them on?
Yep.
Okay. Strobes coming on. Transponder on altitude, doors and windows, your door's good, babe? Okay, and we're taking off at 4 o'clock, perfect, nice even time. And we got about, we said 40, we got 5 hours of gas, we have plenty. Okay. So let me climb out, I'll be doing some talking here and there, and then when I tell you guys it's cool to start talking again. Okay? Skypark traffic, 9 Bravo, X-ray departing 21 Skypark.
A few weeks back, my father took my sister and her friend on a sunset flight out to Port Clinton for dinner. The winds were a little gusty, but other than that, it was a great night to fly.
Okay, here we go, kids. Power coming in. And we're in the green. Airspeed's alive. 50, 55. Here we go. Boy, she wants to fly already. Look at that. Flaps coming up. Skypark traffic 9 Bravo X-ray departing the area to the west. Skypark. Okay, everybody's gonna try to look for airplanes, right?
Yep.
Not just eat the whole time.
I would show you the trip out to Port Clinton, but instead I'm just going to summarize it in about 30 seconds.
This is fabulous lighting.
What you want from me? What you want from me?
I thought that was your dad.
Very tempted to climb out on the wing.
That's Sandusky, not Sandery.
Baby, you got me like
Oh, they get to see my red lips. Can I get a
Would you like me to drop you a beat?
flying on a plane in the lane?
Seashell, seashell, sing a song, oh please.
Oh, I got down on my knees
And I pretend to pray.
We are back, Aviation for Life, and we are coming at you from the skies.
Alright, now that that's over, enjoy the rest of the video.
And Port Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 739 Bravo X-ray is 6 southeast, inbound landing 18, Port Clinton.
Port Clinton traffic, 128 Alpha Victor is clear of the runway, Port Clinton. Wayne County traffic, 37 Quebec, turn base, runway 28, Wayne County.
Monroe County traffic, 750 Delta Bravo's a brown and white Mooney. We're practicing over your airport here. Anybody in the pattern, Monroe County, 419.
Port Clinton 280 is final 18.
And Port Clinton traffic, 739 Bravo X-ray is downwind runway 18, Port Clinton. This gets bumpy here if I remember. It's choppy. Choppy, choppy. That is close. S is good, trims are good. 10 degrees of flaps, power coming back slightly. Down. Alright, Port Clinton traffic, 9 Bravo X-ray, left base, 18, Port Clinton.
Alpha Victor, Port Clinton.
Is that for 8 Alpha Victor?
Yeah, copy that. Welcome to Port Clinton. How long have you been with us today?
Not too long. We're just going to go over to the diner and chill out and have some dinner and then head home.
Is about that. Yeah, roger that. Be advised there is aircraft parking on the north side of the diner. Just proceed down Echo Taxiway, across the approach into 36, and there's a ramp up.
Yeah, I knew there was a ramp over there. I just thought that was only museum airplanes.
Port Clinton traffic, 9 Bravo X-ray, final, 18, Port Clinton. Seatbelts are good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Woohoo! On the right. Believe that's where we're going. That was a fun one. Port Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 739 Bravo X-ray, clear 18, Port Clinton. So good, that's so good, that's so good. I'll give him a turn the radios off.
As always, thank you for watching. Please like and comment. You can also subscribe by clicking the Aviation for Life logo on your screen. Feel free to browse our channel, and until next time, happy flying from Aviation for Life.